In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam download region. This is a quick way to improve download speeds or fix stalled updates by switching the content server Steam uses. The setting is built right into the Steam client, so there's nothing extra to install or configure outside of Steam. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer. Make sure the client is fully launched and you can see your library, store, or any Steam window. If Steam is running in the background, bring it to the front so you can access the menu bar. Next, look to the very top left corner of the Steam window for the Steam menu. Click the word Steam to open the drop-down. From this menu, select Settings. This is where all of your general and download preferences live. If your window opens to a different section, that's fine. We're heading to the Downloads section next. Inside Settings, click on Downloads in the left-hand sidebar. This page controls how Steam fetches and manages game data. Here you'll see options like bandwidth limits, download behavior while playing, and the option we're after, Download Region. Find the Download Region setting on the right. This tells Steam which nearby server cluster to use for your downloads. Steam usually picks a region automatically, but if your current one is congested or under maintenance, switching can help. Click the Download Region drop-down to reveal a list of available server locations. Choose a different region that's geographically close to you, ideally another city or hub in your country or a neighboring one. Picking a nearby but different region helps you avoid crowded servers without adding unnecessary distance, which can slow things down. Try not to select a location that's very far away, as that can increase latency and reduce speed. After you've selected a new region, it's recommended to restart Steam so the change fully takes effect. To do that, close the client completely from the Steam menu by choosing Exit, then reopen Steam like you normally would. When Steam comes back up, it will use the new region for all downloads and updates. That's all there is to it. If you notice better performance, you can keep this region selected. If speeds are still inconsistent, you can repeat the same steps later and try another nearby region. Remember, you can always return to your original region at any time using the same drop-down. Thanks for watching. By adjusting a single setting, you can often resolve slow or unreliable downloads and get back to playing faster.